Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video, I will show you how to update your store currency. So Shopify store comes with default currency, but you can change it easily in the admin section. So if you wanted to change your product prices in a different currency, this is the way you would do it. And remember, if you like what you hear, hit the like button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce news. Also, hit the bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. First step, go to your Shopify admin and scroll all the way down to settings. Click on it and go to General. Now if you scroll all the way down on General, you will get to Store Currency. Now scroll all the way down to Store Currency and here you will be able to change it. Remember that you can make the change at the very beginning of setting up your store, so you can change from your default currency to any other currency. After you make a first sale, your currency is set, and in order to change it, you will need to contact Shopify support to help you do that. So remember that this change cannot be made by yourself after you start making sales, but Shopify support will be able to do it for you afterwards. Please do me a great favor, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the algorithm and hit the bell to get notified every time I add new video. There's new video coming every week on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also check the other videos shown here and see even more clips on my YouTube channel. Speak with you soon, bye bye!